Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I'm a sauceaholic. I have so many sauce recipes. There's a sauce for this, another sauce for that, a specific one for that particular recipe, and on and on and on. Depending on the dish, the sauce enhances it and wraps it up beautifully. Now, it doesn't have to be a fancy meal to make a sauce. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my barbecue sauce for chicken. When I make either my crispy chicken or a chicken on the rotisserie, this delicious sauce is perfect. Now, like most sauces, this one is very easy to make and a great addition to your recipe folder. So my friends, let's get cooking. First, we'll make the roux. In a medium pot over medium heat, we'll add butter. And when it's melted, we'll add flour. We'll whisk the ingredients constantly for about 3 minutes, enough to remove the edge from the flour. You know, that raw taste. So a few minutes later, we'll slowly pour in cold chicken broth, whisking continuously until well incorporated. To this, we'll add ketchup, brown sugar, Worcestershire sauce, white vinegar, hot sauce, I'm using Frank's Red Hot here, then hot paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, ground sea salt, and freshly ground black pepper. We'll whisk the ingredients very well and then increase the heat to high. When it starts boiling, we'll reduce the heat to medium-low and let the sauce simmer for 30 minutes, stirring occasionally. About 5 minutes before the half an hour is up, we'll pour in heavy cream. Of course, whisk it into the mixture and let it cook for the remaining 5 minutes. And my friends, this is our barbecue sauce for chicken. What an awesome homemade recipe. It's tasty, quick to make, and the perfect sauce for chicken. You can use it as a marinade, dipping sauce, or brush it on while rotisserie the chicken. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit.